Happy birthday, Nurse Leia!
Thank you, Chay!
Bye!
Good morning naman kayo. Grabe naman kayo.
Good morning! Hindi naman ako kita.
Ayan na eh.
Good morning!
Hello mga kalutang. Ayan yung mga lutang ko ring friends. Ay, hindi pala. Ako lang pala yung lutang. Sige na. Sige na. Di ba dapat nga lulutang kasi mabigat? Punta muna ako HR guys. Sandali lang. Hi guys.
Hi!
Hi guys. It's my birthday on the 18th.
Really?
Yes.
Happy birthday!
But a celebration
Leia.
today.
Really?
Yes. Today. Celebration today.
You didn't tell me.
Just now.
Happy.
Tomorrow. Let's do this.
Please, can you read your card?
Yan ang mag-video ka na. We will open our
Happy
card.
birthday.
Okay.
Our dear Bayan. You have been always here.
You're always ready.
But a sweet one, alhamdulillah. Happiest birthday. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I promise you I'll be always headache. I promise. Nothing will be changed. I'll be more.
Okay, next,
Okay,
Marley.
next.
Come here.
Dearest Merly, you're not getting older. You're just getting closer to being
Kadami.
able to use the senior citizen discount. Yeah, 6 years more. I will have this senior citizen discount.
Okay, next, Leia.
Thank you, Leia.
Yalla, Leah.
Say hi, guys.
Bye.
Hi. Okay, it's your turn.
Put your flowers
It's
here.
your turn.
So that we will take flowers here.
My flowers. My flowers here. Kinakabahan ako ah. Mag-open tayo. Kinakabahan ako guys. Dear Leia, here's to another year older and wiser, at least in age. Happiest birthday, love 6A family. Thank you. Only 29. I will not add age. Only until 29.
You're jealous. What is this?
Yes, I'm the youngest. I have been the one who's supposed to be born.
No, love. Love. It's a family.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
She's jealous.
Jealous right away. You did not read. Hello, we'll take group picture.
Picture na lang. With the madam first. With the madam first.
No, Nana, come. Nana. Come. All together.
The first is in front in front. With the chair.
And you sit. La wallah, not this. La wallah.
Another one.
Marley.
Half.
لا you and Leah, you and Leah. I'll sit here, I'll sit here.
Leia,
خلاص put Leah here.
Yeah,
She need a new one.
you need to sit down.
Ano ba? Ha? Mafi. Sandali ito eh.
بدي أروح على السناب يرسل لك شفت
شوفي الاشياء اللي تبغيها.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay.
Are you with you? Yalla, selfie. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
One more.
Out. Okay, thank you.
The video. Slice na.
We say too much when.
Yes na.
Asif, تعمل.
I'm not looking.
خلاص أقمرين.
Class. Oh, whatever.
One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
mga kalutang. So, ngayon, hindi ko pa birthday. Pero, yun, nag-celebrate kami kanina sa hospital ng mga kasamaan ko sa work. So, 3 kaming nag-birthday. So, si Ate Merly at saka si Bayan, happy birthday to both. So, naka-receive ako ng gift, ng letter, at saka ng flowers. Nilipat ko na to, yung sa aming vase. Ayan, so, tawag dito. Basahin ulit natin yung letter, no? Kasi kanina hindi masyadong clear, eh. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng card, oh. Ayan. So, ayan. Dearest Leia, here's to another year older and wiser, at least in age. Happiest birthday, love, your 6A family. Yay! Thank you, guys. I'm always, ano ba? Paano ko sabihin? I really appreciate it. Ang hirap mag-English, 'di ba? So, ayan. So, unbox na natin yung gift. Sirain ko para maulit next year, no? Grabe, ayaw pa bukas, guys. Grabe, ang daming tape. Sirayan na natin ang tuloy ng box. Okay. Yeah. So, thank you guys. Yan, children's nurse. Yan. Tapos, meron tayong coffee and black tea. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shout out to my 6A family. Bye guys. Thank you.